In the world of rallying, cars don't have to grace the World Rally Championship stages to become legends. They simply have to capture the imagination of the fans, and that is exactly what the Peugeot Cosworth did. Built by Andy Burton, the Peugeot Cosworth spec would change throughout its time at the top of the leaderboards, but one thing that didn't change was the excitement for the fans hearing it echoing through the forests, often travelling to events around the country just to catch a glimpse of this mythical beast on the stages. Unfortunately, rule changes in the sport would effectively sideline the car after the 2011 season, but it would go out with a bang, claiming the BTRDA Gold Star title that season. The decision, though, would upset many fans in the sport who saw the car as a symbol of British rallying's ingenuity and independent spirit. Even today, Andy Burton's Peugeot Cosworth is remembered as though it was only yesterday and has left behind an impact and a reputation as one of the most spectacular and unforgettable rally cars of its generation.